Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Trump token updates with Marcus Mercosat. What's going on now? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I once again remind you, I don't think so that Donald Trump launched the scam token. So we're going to zero. Everything will be so bad, and it's end of cycle, end of whatever, right? I think I'm not sure he got a plan for this token. I don't think so. He will get like some utility or use case in United States for this one. Maybe for some NFT, some goods. He already posted some on the website. You can purchase with the Trump some goods. I saw the news. Some earlier supporter or holder of the Trump token will get an airdrop. Maybe. Anyway, something will happen with that token one more time. Do I believe in the $100 per Trump token? Technically, yes. Technically, maybe not round number like $100, and not now. This token already made a great gains, right? So let's be real. Don't be so greedy, If you just missed the main rights on chain before the listing on the major exchanges and centralized exchanges, it's only your fault, But we can't wait some crazy gains from $20 to $12, for example, now, and wait like 1,000 for Trump token. Based on what? Why? So guys, I don't think so. I don't think so. The Trump token, it's something about the crypto reserve, right? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. He's so selfish, to add their own meme token just into crypto reserve. So I don't think so. But who knows? Maybe he will add it. We can't know in a moment. I truly believe in maybe not in March, but in March also. I think we will see some good news, some positive around the crypto. Anyway. I truly believe we will see some positive in geopolitics between the Ukraine and United States, yes, and Russia also. So this is what I'm waiting for, like one of the many catalysts for the crypto. And I mentioned that even in 2023. So highly recommend you go and read to that post. So technically, guys, you remember that FIB, you remember that levels, absolutely everything's still the same. I market that levels, indentation accumulation pump model. I mentioned no makes sense to hop into that token at $40, at $70. We stop at the highest point on BTG at 77.60 at that point. And here, the people always like think, oh, it's not a big deal. We just dump it 84%. No, guys, we not dump it 84%. We dump it around 500%. So to recover back, for example, at the break even, we need to pump 500%. It's a big deal. So that's a trap. That's a trap of percentage, right? So we dump 84%, and you think, oh, it's not a big deal. Now we pump from 12 to 20, 22, and I recover back. No, we have to pump to your break even. For example, if you hop in at 70, we have to pump much more, like 400, for example. That's the deal. So now we are trading inside accumulation zone. So this is the first zone of interest where only now it's logical start accumulate this token if you believe in it. So I mark after listing, I mark that levels, and you could mark everything by yourself with indentation accumulation pump model. It's a free strategy, guys. 14, 16, 11 almost round number. Next step is 6, 22, and 4, 20. So for example, we can't know, maybe we'll drop lower. Definitely, when we build this compression, sooner or later we will come back and with this move or with this move, come back and trade that zone. This is going to be the zone of fixation, swing trades, 33.55, 36.10. So guys, I will not waste the time and now explain you how to work with that model. Once again, I highly recommend you go and watch the educational video. So this is it. To buy now or not, it's only up to you. We can't know. We will recover from this current prices, or we will dump based on some tweet from Trump, or based on some events in the world or something happen and we will drop to $6. So no makes sense to trying to predict the market based on just expectation. So now by logic, and only you can control your money management and the risk management. Now by logic, it's okay zone to accumulate this stock. And if you believe in Trump, and if you believe in what he's saying now, if you believe in his politic, because anyway, he'll be here with us, stay with us for the next 4 years. And I don't think so. He just landed the meme token. This token dumped to zero and everybody forgot about it. And the next 3 years we go into the bear market and that's it. He made millions and the billions just from the air and everybody forgot about it. So I don't think so. And I don't think so. The Trump token, it's like a Libra from Milei. No, I don't think so. It's something more serious. So also, no makes sense to buy now, for example, if you're not sure, if you're not ready to buy now, and after that, if something happened in the world, start complaining why we dump it to the next zone of interest minus 50%, 48%. If you're not ready to see 48% down, you're not ready, like mentally. Just skip this token. Just skip this token. If we'll drop here, it's going to be the much, much better entry. But at this moment, we can't know are we drop or not. That's why, guys, nobody knows the future. That's why never listen all of that guys who shield you buy the deep, buy the deep, buy the deep. Guys, after one deep, we can see another one 50%, another one 50%. We can control only the size of our position on the spot or on the futures. We can control our leverage. We can control only our emotion. We can control only the zone which comfortable for us to accumulate some token or not. We can build a plan for each token. So you build a plan. Now it's comfortable price $12.21. I'm buying this asset for this amount of money. If plan A, if the token drop to $6, I will buy another portion of this token for that amount of money. And my average entry will be, let's say, 8. Then I build a plan. When the token from $8 pumped to $16, I withdraw my initial deposit, leave free tokens, and forget about this meme token. Ride with the free money, with the free tokens to the new all-time high, for example. Daily time frame with my customer set, no data for accumulation. This is not a distribution, not accumulation. So we just in the middle. I don't like the station like this one. Oh, no, not a still Aphria. So here, Aphria added yesterday. Now we came in on a daily time frame finally to the capitulation zone. On the weekly, of course, there is still Aphria. 12 time frame, this capitulation bounce, this disbelief. So hard to say how high this token can pump, but it's just my personal feeling, my personal analysis. So I don't think so that Trump token, it's a pure scam. No. Can we see the sideways like this one? 1, 2 drop? Yes. Can we see the like this move? Yes. So guys, it's only up to you what to do now with your money, with that token. If you're not sure, just skip the token. There's a million and other tokens what we can trade and accumulate. Money power, no money inflow on the daily. 12 time frame, here we can see the $18.55. It was a comfortable price for accumulation. Pretty good one. Buy signal was here on 12 time frame. So we got like reasons, you build a plan, you build a reason. So as more reasons, as more factors you will find out on the charts, the more confident you will be with your position. So here we dump to almost at the bottom of the lowest point of the OK zone to buy. We got a signal to buy on 12 time frame. We got a MACD, the warranty, bullish one. We got a disbelief area, and it was a logical entry, for the spot, like 55%. Here we got a recommendation close position. You could fix 32% or even 50, depends of the time frame what you're trading. So here. So this is how it looks like on a daily. On here was signal to sell. Here was a signal take profit. That one, you see the money back. And here is a buy, pump, 55%. Here is a money inflow. So that's why, guys, I highly recommend you always work with the logic. And if you want to, you can use my indicator set to give the more more signal, not a signals. It's not a signals. It's a tool. It's a tool. It's information. It's data what you can work with. Here, daily time frame. No data for take profit indicator 12 hour time frame. Here's we trade around the buy line. Fundamental wall of the stock and it's $9.33. Take profit line. Now it's a sweep of this liquidity pool. It's a 224.80 and $28. It's exit line. Can we drop to the fundamental wall? Of course, easily in an eye blink. 4 hour. Technically, we can trade it again at a buy line, test the buy line, $9.27 from my wall on 4 hours and frame, it's $6.86. So just imagine that it's not unnecessary. So we will always should drop like to the bearish signals. No, we can go higher. So it's only up to your own risk. By my feelings, I think we will drop to this zone again. I hope not. Of course, I hope not, because it means if we will drop to this area, it means the whole market's dying. So I hope not, of course. But markets absolutely doesn't care what I wish for to see or what I hope for. So I don't see any reason why we should drop based on what, maybe in some trade wars between the China, maybe some escalation and some wars again. I don't know. Technically, it's hard to say. But now we are in the zone of where it's more than okay, accumulated stock, and if you believe in it. So I wish to see, of course, the drop, the last flash crash, just a flash crash shell, the last one, and finally, slowly but surely, we brick by bricks start building the uptrend structure. For me, it will be much better than we will pump now and one more sideways like this one. I hate to waste that time. So guys, I hope you like this video. Targets, where to fix profits, swing trades, what potential we can hit. Already explained to you where we now explained to you. If you like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.